What is going on, guys, and welcome back to our C programming course. My name is Vlad, this is AlphaTech, and in this video we are going to talk about a really important topic called casting. So we know that in C language we can create different variables of different types to hold different data. Now if we've come to think about mathematical operations, then a sum of two integers should definitely also be an integer, right? And also we can say that the sum or the division of two floating point numbers is also expected to be of a floating point type, meaning that if two numbers are of the same type, then usually we would have expected the result of any math operation between them to be of that same particular type, like we can see right now. But that's not always the case. Suppose you've got two integer numbers, let's say 5 and 2, like we've seen in one of our previous challenges, and you want to find out what would be the result of dividing 5 by 2. So on one hand, we know that 5 and 2 are two integers, and we expect, as we've said previously, that the result should also be of an integer type. Then we can say that 5 divided by 2 will give us just 2, right? This means it can be interpreted as how many times the number 2 can fully be inserted into 5, and that's exactly would be 2 times. On the other hand, if we expect and allow the result to be of type floating point, then we can definitely say that the result will be none other than 2.5. So as you can see here, pretty much the result of the same mathematical operation can give you basically two different results based on the type itself. And when and how to use it correctly, we are going to discuss right away.